Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a Forex chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and today we have FOMC coming up. So before I proceed, I would like to request the new traders, beginners, that please try to avoid trading during the event. And those traders who have less capital right now, not in a position to afford any risk, high risk, okay, you can also avoid trading. But yes, you should observe the market, gather experience, okay, so that you can use the experience later on. But if you're in a very tight spot right now, try to avoid trading. So at first, let's have a look at the chart of DXY, and as we can see that DXY is right now standing at 111.22. This is the current market price here. As we all know that DXY was in very strong uptrend. Then last week it showed massive correction, but again it is trying to go up again. As we all know that right now we don't have a clear picture, okay, we don't have a clear picture regarding the next direction of DXY. But one thing I would like to show you, that is, if you observe the chart of the present trend of DXY correctly, then you can see that more or less DXY is forming higher highs. Okay. Usually higher highs signify the presence of buyers in the market. Okay. So I think that DXY is still trying to recover, and if DXY crosses 112 level, then it will try to resume the uptrend again. So 112 will be a very important level for DXY, and as we all know that probably Fed may try to increase the interest rate by 75 basis points. So there may be some good amount of volatility coming up during the FOMC. Please be careful. And in case DXY starts coming down, then 110.60 will be the first support, and then 110.35 will be the second support for DXY. Okay, and these two are the supports that we need to keep our eyes on. In case market shows extreme volatility and breaks everything, then just leave it. Okay, leave it. 109.30, 109.50 will come for the rescue. But as of now, let's wait and watch this particular portion of the market only. Now let's jump to the chart of Euro Dollar. Where is Euro USD? There is our Euro USD. So Euro USD is also not showing any clear-cut direction to us. Right now standing at 0.9896. This is the current market price. To be honest, I always prefer to keep my charts clean, but as you can see that in a very narrow range here, I have drawn many levels. So before FOMC, if market shows a good amount of volatility, or if Euro USD shows good amount of recovery, then each and every level will come into the scene. That's why I have drawn all the lines here, because see, the road for Euro USD is not very smooth. Okay, so first of all, if the volatility remains low in the market, okay, I'm talking about before FOMC. Okay, let me write here before FOMC, because usually whenever a big event is lined up, we do not see a crazy amount of volatility in the market. Okay, market usually remains silent, market usually remains calm before any big event. So if we see market silent, then yes, there is a possibly high chance that market or Euro USD will reverse from the first resistance of 0.9920, not 20, yeah, 20225. This is the first resistance for Euro USD, but keep in mind this resistance level is not a very strong one. Not all levels are of the equal strength in the market. Okay, so this level should work if there is less volatility in the market. If you see the size of the candles are very small, okay, then you can expect the market to reverse. Okay, otherwise, in case of a good amount of volatility, or let's say if the size of the candles remain like this, okay, if you see size of the candles like this, then this level may not work. Okay, may not work, then your level will be 0.9948 to 0.9950. This support, sorry, this resistance level, this is our second resistance on the chart of Euro USD, and this level is more or less of medium strength. So before FOMC, if in case there is a volatility also, this level may reverse the market. So if you see market going up, observe the market, and if you see price being rejected from above, okay, then you can take a sell position. But yes, observe the market first. In case you see that market has reached the resistance, but the size of the candle is big green, massive green, then obviously you should avoid any sell position at resistance. After all, no levels are permanent in the market, but we are retail traders, our capital is limited, don't forget that. And before FOMC, the important or the strongest resistance is this level before FOMC. Okay, I'm talking about 1.0000 to 0.9975. This is the extreme resistance on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, before the FOMC. In fact, during FOMC also it has the potential to work. In case we do not see 2-3 big green candles, okay, then obviously this level should also work. So let me repeat again if you're confused. Okay. So the first resistance is 0.992025. okay, this level is not very strong. So if the market remains low volatile, you can expect the market to reverse, but the reliability is low. If you are a new trader beginner, you can avoid this level as well. What you can do is you can just keep your eyes on 0.9948 to 0.9950. Before FOMC, if you see market showing good amount of volatility, okay, you can expect the market to reverse. If in case market breaks it, then your eyes should be on this level, on the 1.0000 or 0.9975. okay, and in case market shows extreme volatility, then obviously this is your ultimate resistance. Okay, this is ultimate resistance on the market, 1.0100 to 1.0075. but I don't think so market will be heading towards this level. Let's wait and watch. Market is full of surprises, isn't it? And in case market starts falling, then this is our first support, 0.9850 to 0.9855. In our previous videos we have already talked about this level. So this is a support zone in the market. Okay, but keep in mind this support zone may work before FOMC only, because if we just focus on this particular portion of the market here, then you can see market is not very strong right now. Okay, market is forming lower highs. So sellers are very much dominating the market right now. So as a result, be careful. Before the event, it may work. Okay, it may work, but in case of extreme volatility, okay, obviously this level will fail badly. Okay, in that case, you can keep your eyes on 0.9810, 0.9800. This will be your next support. Okay, if this level fails, and the chance of failing this level is very, very high. Okay, I'm repeating again. So let's keep our eyes on these levels. Okay, this level, let's wait and watch. If this level fails, okay, if this level fails, then if you want, then you can take a sell position, but try to enter enter quickly and exit quickly. Personally, I will try to avoid taking any position below this level. I would love to observe the market first. Okay, you can take a trade at breakdown, but it can be very, very risky. So try to avoid if market breaks the support and starts falling. So FOMC will bring some volatility into the market, so please be careful, because NFP is coming up again on Friday. Okay, so this week is full of news. Okay, so please be careful. Try to follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. My analysis can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate, so please be careful. Bye bye, take care.